Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal, Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Guys, we are a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa. But from time to time, we get awesome trades. And here we go. This is just the perfect example of that. I tell you what, guys, we had a 2018 Jeep Wrangler, all lifted up, custom out. You guys know how we sell them. We got all kinds of cool Jeeps. But hey, these people, they decided, hey, it's time to have some fun, and they traded in this Hyandai 2023 one owner that they bought new locally on that Jeep. So in turn, we're gonna give you a heck of a deal on this thing. It's only got 20,000 miles on it all. Still full factory warranty left on it. This thing, I guess, gets around 40 miles a gallon. Unbelievable. And it's got a really nice look to it. They did tinted glass on it, got the black alloy wheels. Let me give you a quick walk around on it, guys. Price to sell, like I said, just go to our website, tealtrucks.com, and check out all the pictures. Beautiful dark gray in color. Again, it got this really cool blacked out alloy wheels. Tires are like brand new, all tinted out all the way around. This car's got really great lines. It's Elantra. Check that out. I mean, it's a really cool car at a really good price. It's got some nice options, full power, everything on it. Blind spot monitor, backup camera, all the safety stuff, Bluetooth. Interiors, you know, it's a 23. It's pretty much like new, very well cared for. Got the mats. We got all the books. Has your big screen, backup camera. Again, 20-ish thousand miles on it. Both sets of keys here, guys. Just push button start. Here's a remote start. Again, back seat, look at that. So the fact that we sell some really nice trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, Broncos, allows us to get great trades like this. And in turn, we give great deals to you. So go to tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. We can do some financing for you. You want this thing delivered, we can do that as well. So just give us a call, guys. Till next time, have a good one.